this video, I'm unboxing Razer's Viper Ultimate mouse, and it comes with a docking station. I'm very excited. This is a gaming mouse. We're also going to probably compare this to the Logitech Superlight Pro X, and maybe also the Apple Magic mouse. So we can do some comparisons, unbox this, give some thoughts and feelings, and see if it's worth buying. So let's have a look. I'm excited. So the first thoughts is it's really awesome because it comes with a charging station. It's wireless and has all this cool stuff. So it says on the box that it has Focus Plus with 20K DPI optical. So that's quite interesting. So that would be stuff for shooters and stuff like that. There's also a hyperspeed wireless technology, all the words, and Razer Chroma RGB included. So basically that means that it has RGB lighting on this wireless gaming mouse. Comes with a docking station, which is quite cool. It has up to 70 hours of battery life, which is pretty amazing. 5 onboard memory profiles, so you can personalize your settings for this mouse. So apparently this mouse has 25% faster transmission speeds than any other gaming mouse on the market. So that's amazing. I'm loving this box as well, how it comes out. This is pretty good stuff. So that's what it looks like inside the box. So this is the actual mouse. It's pretty fancy, I gotta say. Like, this is pretty awesome. I'm very impressed so far. And we also have the docking station here as well, which is really nice. I'm liking this so far. It's a pretty small docking station. Alright, so then that would connect to a USB connection. I'm wondering where the USB connection comes. And then underneath here, we have the rest of the stuff. So I have this, which says, "Unleash your true potential. We are the first to create a mouse dedicated to gaming. Today, we continue to be industry leaders, utilizing the latest technology to deliver gaming mice equipped with the best optical sensors, backed by the fastest and most stable wired and wireless connections. Left or right-handed, MMO or FPS, you'll find just what you need to bring your A game every time." That is so cool. I love that. You get a little message from the CEO of Razer right there. And we also have this booklet for the Razer Viper Ultimate. The Viper. The Viper. I love that. We also got these stickers, which are pretty cool. This is pretty fancy. So it gives us all the instructions here on how to use this. So it comes with all the bells and whistles that you could ever want. Wow, this is quite cool. So you can personalize your mouse with RGB lighting. There's more to mouses than I truly realized when it comes to unboxing these. This USB cable is very high quality and very nice. If you look at the actual way it's wrapped in this like nice fabric, it's super nice, man. This is really, really top quality stuff. So that would connect there to the back of this, and it sort of slides in pretty far, and then that connects via USB to your computer or your laptop, and then you can get started with that. Wow, that's cool, man. So there should be a USB stick included. I'm just got to figure out where this USB stick is. Nice. So at the bottom there's this panel that opens up, and there you can find the actual USB stick. This is really nice. It's already there. Wow, okay. So that would just connect in here. Now we have the charging station and the USB stick connected. And then this would just slide back in this panel over here. Wow, okay. And then, so this connects this way to the docking station if we want to charge it. That's pretty advanced stuff. This is a really, really nice mouse. I really like this. So far, it feels like carbon fiber in a way. I'm really loving the feel of this. I can imagine really getting used to this and using it. It feels really smooth. And apparently it's got the 20K optical sensor, which is this thing. We do also, on here, have a few more options on the side. So we've got 2 buttons there. We've got 2 buttons here. So you can program these to do kind of whatever you want with them. If that makes sense. Let's just plug this in, see what happens. It's probably gonna light up. All right, so straight away at the back there, we've got some lighting and we have some RGB lighting with the actual charger, which is absolutely awesome. So that looks like it's in charging mode, and I love how it's got this like fading effect right there with the light. It's so sick. That is super cool. So right there, the lights change. So right there, we've got like this RGB lighting going on right here. It's so sick. Love that. I love how it's sort of changing color as it goes. So right now it's on pink and it sort of fades into different colors and stuff. That is sick. So I can tell straight away with the DPI like what's going on, because it seems super sensitive. Like it's really fast with like the movement and stuff like that. It's really sensitive. So I'm wondering if this button here will change the sensitivity, if that makes sense. Maybe not, I'm not too sure. And then we can charge it just by equipping it onto there, and now it's charging. There we go. And then we have the programmable buttons on the side. It's crazy how like smooth this is. So this is like, compared to the mouse pad is like a bit slower, less sensitive, and this is like way more sensitive to movements, if that makes sense to anyone. I think it's because of the optical sensors. So it'll definitely improve your accuracy when it comes to playing games and stuff like that, and just general use. Like it's really good as well. I'm loving this RGB lighting. Yeah, we did it, man. We finally got through. That took ages, but basically you had to find the code of the serial number and then the code on the box, and it was very difficult to do, to be honest. That was very hard. And now I can actually register my product, and now my product is fully registered on the website of Razer, and now you can download the drivers and stuff that way. I don't know if it's really useful doing that, because all you're getting is warranty information and stuff like that, I guess, to replace it. What this button does is it's a DPI cycle up button. So basically what that means is, for example, the first time you click your DPI button, you will be prompted to set an alternative resolution. Once it's set, clicking your DPI button toggles you from regular resolution to a higher or lower resolution, then back again on the next click. So it's just about DPI. So let's figure out what DPI is. Dots per inch. Okay. So that's the resolution of an image. So you're getting a higher resolution of the DPI using this button. If that means anything to gamers, please let me know. But overall, I really like this mouse. Like, it's pretty good carbon fiber feel. Has the RGB lighting already installed. You have customizable options there. You have the DPI options there too. So there's a whole bunch of options. I'm loving the carbon fiber sort of feel as well. It feels absolutely amazing. So overall, my thoughts and feelings on this mouse, it's pretty positive. Comparing it to the Logitech Super Light Pro X, this is a lot lighter than this. They feel a little bit different. Like this feels a bit nicer because, you know, it has that carbon fiber feel. We have the grips on the side, so that's why I kind of prefer this over this one. This one's a little bit more basic, has less options. So this one only has the 2 side options, while this has 4 side options. Has a bit of resistance to the scroll wheel. That one also has the sound that's coming out of it. This one has a different sound. Overall, I'm preferring this one in terms of the feel. It feels a lot more like a high quality product than this. This one feels more lightweight, but for more general use, this one feels more directed towards the gaming and stuff like that, and it has the RGB lighting and stuff like that. So that's the difference between the Super Light Pro X and this one. And then with the Magic Mouse, this one also is amazing. It definitely has like the touchpad on the mouse, which is absolutely incredible. So that's just for a different sort of use altogether. Is great, mainly for PC gamers and Windows users. This one for both Mac, I would say, and Windows, and then obviously this one for only Mac. So those are my thoughts and feelings and comparison. If you like this sort of content, make sure that you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.